Krishna. So this is an application of Bhajan Hatsara extra mantra number 2, Tinitana, Tinitana. So the first one that I was playing was Kaharba Lohara, and so you're just applying that movement pattern into that normal fast beat. And then the second one that I was playing was the Lofa Lohara. So the fast beat for Lofa. It's what you play for Damodarastakam or similar kirtans. So first, we'll go through some of the basic beats. Ti, ni, ta, na. Ti, ni, ta, na. Ti, ni, ta, na. Ti, ni, ta, na. 1, 3. Both of those are closed. Index, index. So 1, 3, 1, 1. Ti, ni, ta, na. Ti, ni, ta, na. And you start this slow and gradually speed up. That's the speed that you're going to need. And then we have the standard fast beat. Din, ditta, gedinna. You can watch my Kaharba Lohara 1 and 2 video if you don't know how to play this one. So din, ditta, gedinna, din, ditta, gedinna, din, ditta, gedinna, din, ditta, gedinna. Now, what we do is we apply that same pattern into this beat. So the big side is going to stay the same, the small side is going to change. That's medium speed. So slow again. Di, ni, ta, tak, ni, di, da, na. 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 And then, if you know how to play some of the other fast beats, Kaharba Lohara number 3, you can try that. So you can change what you do on the big side and do lots of variations that you might use for other fast beats. So I'm going to show you a few bhajan mantras. Okay, now we're going to go to Lofa Lohara. So I'll leave a link in the description for this one. The Lofa Lohara Damodarastakam fast beat. Din, tidda, gedinna. And then we add gedinna. And then close. Din, tidda, gedinna, gedinna. Din, tidda, gedinna, gedinna. Din, tidda, gedinna, gedinna. Now we're going to take the same thing, but apply bhajan extra mantra number 2, tinitana. So din da gedina gedina din da gedina gedina. So dinitana 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 dinitana. na, ti ni ta na. Di ni ta da ni ti ta na, di ni ta na, di ni ta ta ni ti ta na, di ni ta na. So the first part, di ni ta da. Di ni ta da. Then ni di da na. Ni di da na. That's the second part. Third part, di ni da na. Now we put that together. Di ni da da ni di da na, di ni da na. Try that a few times. When you get it, then we'll go to the closed part. Di ni da tak. Di ni da tak. Di ni da tak. And the second part, ni ti ta na. Ni ti ta na. Third part, ti ni ta na. Ti ni ta na. So if we put that together, di ni ta tak, ni ti ta na, ti ni ta na. Di ni ta tak, ni ti ta na, ti ni ta na. Now the full mantra, di ni ta da ni ti ta na, di ni ta na, di ni ta da ni ti ta na, ti ni ta na. Di ni ta da ni ti ta na, di ni ta na, di ni ta da ni ti ta na, ti ni ta na. Di ni ta da ni ti ta na, di ni ta na, di ni ta da ni ti ta na, ti ni ta na. Okay, so then we can add some style on the big side. Di ni ta da ni di da na, di ni da na, di ni ta da ni di da na, di ni ta na. So there are more technical rules to how to apply the bhajan slides, but the basic idea is that instead of the open sounds that you do, you can do like either like this open sound, or you can do the slide. So, di ni ta da ni di da na, di ni ta na, di ni ta da ni di da na, di ni ta na. And that's it. So you have the Kaharba Lohara using Tini Tana, and Lofa Lohara also using Tini Tana. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you. Hare Krishna.